In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore Microsoft Excel to its default spreadsheet. Sometimes Excel settings, templates, or layouts can change over time, and restoring Excel to its default state allows you to start fresh and work more efficiently without any distractions or unexpected behaviors. To begin, close all open workbooks. Make sure to save any important files because this process will not affect your documents, but it will reset Excel's settings and interface. Once your workbooks are closed, go to the File tab and click on Options. This opens the Excel Options dialog box, where you can adjust everything from formulas to proofing and advanced settings. Inside the Excel options, navigate to the Add-ins category. Add-ins can sometimes alter the way Excel behaves. At the bottom, there is a Manage drop-down menu. Select COM Add-ins and click Go. You can uncheck any add-ins that are currently active and click OK. This step disables extra features that may interfere with normal functionality and brings Excel closer to its default state. Another important step is resetting the ribbon and quick access toolbar. In the Excel options, select Customize Ribbon. At the bottom right, click Reset, and then choose Reset All Customizations. This will restore the ribbon and toolbar to Excel's original layout. Any custom tabs, groups, or commands you previously added will be removed, returning the interface to its default state. If your workbook templates have been modified, Excel may open new workbooks with a different layout. To correct this, go to File, then Options, and select General. Under the section labeled When creating new workbooks, ensure the settings are configured to use the default font, size, and number of sheets. Click OK to apply the changes. This ensures that every new workbook opens in Excel's standard format. For a complete reset of all Excel settings, you can rename or delete the Excel registry key. This should be done carefully because it removes all preferences, but it provides a clean start. After performing this step, restart Excel, and it will recreate the settings as if it were freshly installed. By following these steps, you can restore Microsoft Excel to its default spreadsheet layout and settings, making it easier to work efficiently without confusion or unwanted customizations. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Practicing these reset steps will make your Excel experience consistent, smooth, and reliable every time you start a new project.